Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your QuickFox account and installing the app. This gets you a secure client on your device. Once done, sign in and grant network permissions so the app can manage connections. That's required for VPN tunneling. Make sure you allow automatic updates to keep protocols current. Now open the main dashboard and locate the big Connect button. Press it to initiate your first encrypted tunnel while you configure server choices next. Next, you pick a server and fine-tune settings so QuickFox works how you want. If speed matters, choose a nearby server. If location matters, pick the country you need. Then select a protocol, WireGuard for fast performance or OpenVPN for broader compatibility. Make sure to enable the kill switch to avoid leaks and configure split tunneling if you need only some apps routed through the VPN. Adjust DNS and auto-reconnect options to stay protected consistently. Finally, verify that QuickFox is active by checking the VPN icon and confirming your IP address has changed. That proves traffic is tunneling. Run a quick speed and DNS leak test to ensure no leaks. If something goes wrong, switch protocols, toggle the kill switch, or reconnect. Sometimes restarting the app or device clears socket errors. As one key troubleshooting tip, if sites block access, try a different server or enable obfuscation. Then test again before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.